So, it's hard to tell where I'm at here, but I'm on a fourth floor of a building. That's the first floor, that's the second floor, third floor, fourth floor. There's the elevators, and this is where I'm trying to work tonight, up this ladder. Trying to work on some fire alarm. On this beam detector here, which is giving us problems. And to work on it, it's in a pretty different location. This over here is the elevator, glass elevator. And down there's first floor, 4 floors down. And I'm looking from this beam detector way downstairs to the first floor to another one. And they're not being cooperative. And I have to go way out here to work on that. Enjoy. I am.